So today is a Saturday. It's already late. It's 5 o'clock and I start, you know what, it's better to start late than nothing, you know. So today we are going to my in-laws. We're gonna visit my in-laws today, my sister-in-law and the kids, and that's why I want to vlog, because I want to tell you guys something. So tomorrow we have a flight to Tampa, Florida. We have something going on that I can't really share yet, so I'm just gonna keep quiet until I tell you guys soon. So I already kind of packed and I just planned the outfits that I'm gonna wear to Tampa because I don't want to overpack. I tend to overpack a lot if I'm going to the trip, and what I learned is like I don't know, like I scrambled with like my outfits, and since it's almost springtime, I try to bring like some bright colors, some green, and I've been really into green lately, so that's what I bought with me and also packed with me. So there's gonna be a lot of color in my feed, and if you guys know me, I do love some good old, you know, neutrals, but it's springtime, so we're gonna bring the colors. I mean, I'm still gonna wear some neutrals anyway. So anyways, I have to take a shower, and they have to do like purple shampoo and purple conditioner today because it's a little bit like I don't know, like my hair is a little bit bronzy up in here, and that's what my hairstylist told me to do, is to just focus around this area right here. Speaking of, I did my nails earlier today. This is the reusable pop-on manicures from Static Nails. I love them. It's really easy to use. It literally took me 2 minutes. Like this whole thing, it literally took me 2 minutes. And they also sent me some how do you call it, not gel, like the regular nail polish. So I kind of, because the one that the color that they sent me is a little bit like skin tone color, and I want a little bit color, so I kind of just like painted over. I mean, it looked good, right? So that's what they look like. And I also painted my toenails white, so I'm like ready. Also, before that, I stopped by earlier at Sephora. Okay, this is like the worst angle ever, but anyways, quick Sephora haul. I got some toner, and this is from Glow Recipe, and I got their sample toner, and I freaking love them. I love them. And I also got their little sample, like the water, I think it was like this the moisturizer, yes, and I love that too, but they don't have it at Sephora, so I might just probably order it like online. So I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about this, and this is their Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. This is what they look like. It's really heavy, it's super cute, and I love the packaging. Can we talk about the packaging? Because we love good packaging. How do you like open? Okay, so that's what it looked like. I believe this is like $30-something. And next one, I'm really excited, is this sunscreen right here. This is from Sugar Goop. This is right here, and this is their everyday lotion. They have like a bunch of like different type of sunscreen. They have like a tinted sunscreen, they have like the unseen sunscreen, but this is the one that I want to try. I believe this is $20-something. I believe like $22. And because I do have the CeraVe lotion, CeraVe moisturizer with sunscreen, I love that, and I'm running low on that one. I'm still gonna bring that so I can, like, you know, like use all of them and then just reapply sunscreen. And it says like you can use this also in your body. I mean, I'm just gonna use it on my face, like my face, my neck, like probably like my hands. I'm probably not gonna use this on my body, but yeah, hopefully this doesn't leave like any white cast, because I did look at the reviews and a lot of people really recommend this, so hopefully this is good. I'm gonna bring this with me, and I love the packaging. Like I mean, I'm here for it. I love yellow. Lastly is this acne treatment from the Ankylos. I have the bought the, how do you go, overnight spot patches from Xoxo. I don't know. This is new. They kind of remind me of the Hair Cosmetics, but I don't have any patches, the Mighty patch from Hair Cosmetics anymore. So I just got that, and yeah, this is the acne treatment right here. The Ankylos is by far my most favorite skincare. Like I said, I promise I'm gonna do like an updated skincare routine. So yeah, this is what they look like right there. So I think I'm also gonna bring that because I have to treat this right here. I'm trying to treat some of like my acne marks. So that's, I think I'm not gonna bring this because I still have my Ankylos toner that I have literally running low. That's why I was gonna repurchase the toner from the Ankylos, but they don't have it on stock. So I'm just like, you know what, I'm just gonna try this. So if I can't continue this vlog today, I'll probably see you guys tomorrow. We're at the airport. Hey guys, we're in the airport already. I'm wearing the golden sweatshirt from Jury, joggers from Zara, and my speedy bag. So our flight is gonna be around 1:30. So we have like a couple of hours to wait.
Criteria.
We are on our way.
Based on ready bodily harm from performing one or more of the functions.
To Tampa.
Have a condition that is not visible that will prevent you from
just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, death was speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning.
We're here.
Pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you in infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the fake.
We are on our way to our hotel, and he's driving. Yeah. Hi guys, good morning. So it's our day 2 here. It's February 22nd. We woke up really early today, around 7 or 6 a.m. because we had some appointments earlier. We had like a scheduled appointment 9 earlier today. Like I said, I can't really tell you guys what it is yet because we're still not sure. But yes, we're in a hotel. We have like a nice view of the pool, and we went to Walmart because the hotel that we're staying at has like how do you call, like a fridge. So we bought like a bunch of like waters and some snacks, so we don't have to like, you know, buy snacks at the hotel. So, and also later we're gonna go to drive by at the Clearwater Beach. Also I need to change, and it's really sunny here, which is I'm loving. We are going to
Pasa Grill,
the Clearwater Beach.
Here's some information about
check it
Pasa
out.
Grill Beach.
It's so nice outside, guys.
Pasa Grill is known for Pasa Grill Beach.
Look at the palm trees. So cute.
I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun.
The palm trees.
If I start climbing the palm.
He wants a bread or something.
I'm sorry, buddy.
Why did you bring any? Look, it's coming
I
again.
promise I'd give you something if I had something. You don't need little pieces.
Aww.
But what is this food so good?
guys, we got some Jollibee. Oh my goodness. We got some chicken, mango pie. Oh my goodness. Ooh. And I think I got palabok as well. Oh my god, it looks delicious.